Just need to tell you something that just can't wait. Hey, maybe you'll ride away or maybe you'll stay. But hey, this old guitar and me been thinking for days how to say that our love don't care too much for the unpaid bills on the bedroom floor. Our love lives on cheap wine and singing songs to a wasted sunrise. With you, with you I feel like I am. With you, with you I feel like I am somebody, somebody, somebody. With you I feel like I am somebody, somebody, somebody. With you I feel like I am somebody in control, like I feel it in my bones, like I'm somebody, somebody, somebody. With you I feel like I am. Come with me from New York to LA. Hey, we'll play this song in every city we stay. And hey, maybe we'll stream 1,000,000 times in one day. Be on our way. Hey, 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 hey. Our love don't care too much for the unpaid bills on the bedroom floor. Our love lives on cheap wine and singing songs to a wasted sunrise. With you, with you I feel like I'm. With you, with you I feel like I am somebody, somebody, somebody. Somebody, somebody, somebody. Somebody in control, like I feel it in my bones, like I'm somebody, somebody, somebody. With you I feel like I am. So we made it in New York and LA, and how they sang in every city we played. I hear we streamed 1,000,000 times yesterday. Oh, how things change, and how the years keep ticking away, and how I wish that you were with me today. 'Cause I'd give anything to do it again. Oh, how we've changed. With you I feel like I'm somebody, somebody, somebody. With you I feel like I'm somebody,
Hey Paul, hey, yeah, I'm a cutting edge player now. Yes. I'm gonna work on my add-on a bit. There is something I really want to do with our add-on. I will talk about it soon. I have some other features I want to implement actually. And hopefully I will be able to do it before season 3 comes around. Because I have the simple functionality for the add-on now. It tracks the performance well, it creates a leaderboard, and so on. Now what I need to do is add some functionality that will make the add-on better, more fun. Okay. I'm ready. We can start. We can start. All right. Okay. So the last time, what I did was I refactored all these code, and it works pretty well. Well, I don't have to write like a very long code for each boss from now on. I can just use the code I refactored. Sorry about that. And then now I want to create a results frame. So what I want to do is, let's say, end of the raid, right? We have this data available. We have the points. We know who did what. What I want now is, at the end of the raid, I want like a result panel or like a result page to pop up. First I need to also draw that page. So let me open my paint. I'm not gonna be like some other streamer. I'm not gonna use Paint 3D. I'm not gonna use Paint. I'm gonna use Paint 3D. Window capture. Because first I need to draw what I want to do. Let's say Paint 3D. I want to capture this. Why I cannot capture this? It doesn't work. I cannot capture paint. Why? No, that's just big black box. Doesn't work. Okay, fine. Can I capture paint in OBS then? Because first I need to draw what I want to draw. What do I want to draw? Okay, it works now. Alright, fine. Fine. Okay, so what I want to do is, first I want to have a box. In this box I will have two things. I will have the boss name. Right, I will have the boss name. Then I will have the, say, 10 points. And I also want to have the like first place or something, because this is a leaderboard, you know. I can do that. Have a dash in between and have boss image here. That will be like a boss PNG. .png. Then I want this. Let's select. I need to first design the UI in my head a bit. Then I want this to be like this for each boss. Maybe 4, and then we can scroll. I can make this scrollable box. Let me move this here a bit. Then this will be inside another box. So this will be like a box like this. And in the middle you will have your avatar, your 3D model here. You know, this is your character standing. And then here I want to put 2 boxes. Right, so. And this box will be about your, like, the things that you have done good. Your character is not that fat, I think. Just imagine you're playing a Tauren, okay? Or the Kul Tiran stuff. And then on the right, top right, I will have something. I don't know what to call this, but like good points and then bad points. Bad points, and then essentially it will say on the good points like, hey, amazing damage on the ads, etc. It will list the stuff that you did good, and here it will list the stuff you didn't do good. I wouldn't say like bad, like things to improve, maybe, I don't know, something like, now I need more interrupts on ads, etc. And then here, this will be your final score. And I will try to give like some fun ranks. Like if your final score is great, you will be like the king or the queen or whatever you want to call. Like the king, queen, something like that. It's going to be here. That will be your rank for the raid. So at the end of each raid, I want something like this to appear. And this is a scroll box, essentially, that you can scroll through. Okay. So in order to do this, first I need to start from this one. First, I need to create this small box. That's our goal first. We want to create the small box. Okay. Let's close this paint. Let's start coding. So, this was something I tried to do but didn't work. It kinda did, but I couldn't like play animations with it, but this kinda did work. So I'm not gonna delete this. I'm gonna start with something new. So first we need to create like local, let's call it boss frame. We are going to create frame. I need to check the UI for this. No. Here we go. I need to find frames. Game tooltip, message frame, scroll frame, player model, model scene. No, just regular frame. We just need regular frame. So we just frame nil. Can I write nil praise and UI parent? All right. For now, let's boss frame, set size, set point. Okay. These are pretty default settings. Then I want to add text. No, I need to divide this into columns. Is there something? Column? That's me, guys. That's not you. Column. How can I divide this into columns or like rows? Let's ask Copilot. You know what? Copilot. Let's ask you. Divide the frame into 2 columns. The second column should have 2 rows. I don't know. Let's see what it gives us. It should at least give me some breadcrumbs to work with. Oh, you're just gonna create a frame and put it inside the frame? Oh no, that's so annoying. I don't want to do that. Is this the only way? I don't believe this should be the only way. Just create columns, like frames as columns, then... Oh, I don't like this. But fine, let's start with this. Let's start with this cringe answer. That's left column. This should have an image. This column displays an image square. And I will set this from the I believe each boss have their own stuff in the game. I will replace this. Yes, thank you, GPT. Set size, set point, set texture. Let's say boss image. Let me name this properly so it doesn't get confusing later on. I want to put a divider in between these two rows. Please don't add just a second row. Don't add a God. Did he just add a second, like a third row? Something like that. Divider. No, it's just the texture. Okay. Okay. Then let's try this. Which I'm just gonna copy this. This is just a basic code to create a frame when I log in or like reload. So I would just say model.show. So I'm just going to delete this. Right. Okay, I need to delete. Wait. I need to delete all of this. Yeah. That show. Okay. I need to also add this here. Wait, why do I have errors? These should be already inside here. Yeah, I need to add them again one more time. Anyways, where is my... here. No, it's here. Okay, it's already added. Then let's save all. Let's reload and see if it works. Okay, it works, but what is this, man? What is this? No, this is not what I want. I need to put stuff inside those things. Okay. So this is left column has the boss image in right column. Right top, let's say I want a text to appear. I want a text to appear here and say boss name. Yeah. Then we will just copy it here. And then this will be boss points text. It will be right bottom, create font string, blah blah blah. No, it will be right bottom. Say like 10 points. First place. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Come on. It does, but the thing is, the area needs to be a bit. I don't want to hard code the area though. I want it to be dynamic. Is it possible to make it dynamic? Because so let's say let's make these smaller. Y should be the height, I believe. Right top, right bottom. Let me refresh. No, it didn't work. It's still there's like still too much different like space. What's the problem? GPT. What am I doing wrong? Have a look at it. The total size of this frame should be 300 by 400. Everything else should be dynamically resized. No, it's not gonna be possible. I don't think they have dynamic resolution or sizing in WoW. Just divide by 2. Okay, they do have it then. Well, let's try. No, it doesn't work. It does not work. Let me 1 second reduce this to 200 and then reload again. I'm doing something wrong. Okay, that's better, but this needs to be smaller. Image size is I want image size to be like 50 by 50. Is it too small? It might be too small. I can make it 136, 126 maybe. This is good. No, 50 is good. Okay. The boss name frame. Why is it? Boss name frame. Frame height should be like, I don't know, 25? Why I cannot make this smaller? Come on, what's happening? I cannot make this smaller? I want this to be smaller. Oh. Why I cannot make this smaller? Huh. I'm missing something. What if I make this smaller? I'm going to try and make the whole area smaller. Okay, if I make the whole area smaller, it works, but the divide... Maybe it's because of the divider. Maybe it's because of the divider. Set size. No, it's not that big. Okay, I need to give all of these a background for now so I can check. First, I need to give this a background. Give this transparent background. Let's see. I will probably have to fix this. Yeah, this should not be here. That should not be here. This should be... So column width, this is only for a picture. So images 50, the width should be maximum 60. This should be like 60 by 60 max. It needs to be a small. Okay, so I can make this also 60 as well. It doesn't need to be big. I'm quickly testing it. You guys don't see because I can't constantly change this. But okay, now now I'm getting close to what I want. Now I'm getting close to what I want. Uh-huh. And then this should be -5 then? Wait. Or even 0? Let me try 0. I think 0 will be the most centered one. No, it has to be -1. It has to be -5, sorry. Yeah. But now it is looking good. Okay. Now let's fix these. Which is not going to be that difficult. That's the background, blah blah blah. Yeah. I don't want to use these now. Now right column should be again 60 height, and the width should be I believe this is too big. So 140? Because I calculate. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Because it's like this. I don't want that. I need to increase the size a bit more. And I need to align them to the left. I want the text to be aligned to left. Wait, what? What happened? Wait, I'm messing something up. It should not move to left, it should move to the right side. When I increase and decrease. Alright, 1 second. Let's align all of this to left. This is first column. Point should be left. No. Relative point should also be left, I believe. Now offset is okay. Let's see if it works. Okay. It works, it works. So let's do the same thing with this one. Lefts. Lefts. Okay, perfect. It is now perfect. I just need to move it to the left side somehow, which should be the columns. But they are already top left. If I make this smaller, but I don't want to make it smaller, I just want to move them. I think the problem is about offset, not the... Because this works, but I want this to be a bit bigger than this. You know? Just a bit bigger than that. Also, I don't like the offset. The offset is a bit annoying for the right column. Now, why it's like the offset is annoying. But there is no offset here, it's like 0. The offset is actually 0, so I don't understand why it's like... Let's make it minus. Now if I get minus, it will go down. I need to make it plus. Let me see. Whew. Yeah. Much better now. What if I increase this? Is it going to break things? Let me see. Yeah, it breaks things when I increase that. I'm missing something that I don't understand. Because if I increase this, this frame moves to the right. Its size do not increase. So let me try to add 50 to both of them. Because I just want the size to increase. I don't want it to move. But it's moving. The box is moving to the left when I increase its size. Or to the right. Okay, now it works. Okay. Is this a good enough? Is this big enough? This will be the boss name, this will be the point. This is even bigger than I want actually, right? So we can reduce 20 points from each and that should be okay. Okay, now let's delete these. We don't need the comments. It's gonna make, because we can easily understand from the names what they are. We don't need the comments. But we can easily see this is a divider when we see the divider. No need to comment. Okay, so this is boss frame for each of them, and we will need multiple of them because if you remember our PNG, we want a box that we can scroll through. So we need another frame. We need a scrollable frame. In this frame that we can scroll. I created this before. I just need to create a frame and add scrollable. No, I remember. Yeah, scroll frame. Right, that's all I need to do. I just need to put in, yeah. Is this that simple? Just add like a scroll frame. And content. Huh. I mean, I can try. But I can't add this to the box. I need to create another frame first. First, I need to create like a local boss scroll frame. And then these need to go inside this one. Size should be a bit wider than this, and then let's say 60 times 5 is 360. No, 300. And so we can show 6 of them or 5 of them at the same time. Set point. No. No, this is not what I want though. This is just the frame for up and down. No. No, this is not going to work. This is not going to work. This is going to be a frame. Just like this, just a frame. This is just a frame. But this will have boss scroll frame dot scroll frame this. And then we are going to put the settings up. Let's paste this and then fix it. And then this one. So we have to add this as its content. Okay. Then set scroll child content and size 1:1. Let me copy it for now. I will test it and then see if I understand correctly. Because this is how we create lines and put inside the content. Like table insert. Just table and value, no. Hey, what am I missing? I'm missing something. So we are creating the lines. This is for the main. But when do I put these inside the leaderboard? Just line show. We just show that as like line show. Yeah, but when do we put these inside the leaderboard table as a content? I'm blind. I'm not seeing it. Title is, yeah, we manually set the title. These are the filter tabs. These are the tabs. Oh. Okay. This is the thing. Same thing I'm looking. I'm blind. I'm blind. Okay, god damn it. God damn it. I'm blind. I am blind. I am blind. We literally do it here. Like great texture. And so what I'm going to do is content. This will be boss scroll frame content. It should appear inside this one. Let me see. Let me see if it works. It's probably not going to work, but let me see. Yep. I knew it. Why though? Why? What am I missing? What am I missing here? I don't want to ask GPT all the time. I want to learn myself, but I don't know what I'm missing over there. Line 11 is incorrect. Why? Explain. Yeah, it's a global function, not a... Why though? I don't understand. Why do I have to... Why I cannot... I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think this is what I want. I don't think this is what I want. I need to change this to boss scroll frame show, otherwise it's not gonna show. It doesn't show again. Fine, GPT. I want to put boss frame inside boss scroll frame so I can have multiple of them and scroll through. Debug this code. Let's see what he will say. So you created this as a frame, good, refactored it, That was the second thing to do. Okay, you didn't change this much. You hide it when you create it, then you show it. Okay, let's see. I will probably have to tinker the numbers. But as long as it shows, I'm okay. And it scrolls. Okay. Okay, this is what I want. This is exactly what I want. Like this, exactly what I want. Very good, very good. This will come from our Pug King's leaderboard. What tabs? Why do you have this? There are no tabs. God damn it. GPT now. Offset. I want the offset to be smaller, like this. I want the gap between them to be smaller. Oh, no. Like this. The 60 is their size. 60 is their size, so 65 should be the best. This should also be okay. Good. Now we need to make sure we are getting the data from here. This data should come from here. Because we had the data here. So what we are going to do is we are going to get the data not from here, but from here, which is we go back, no, here. So, this is how we insert the data. So we have the player, then each player has a point history with an ID, and inside we have the reason, points, and boss name. And this comes from here. Which is from Pug King's DB, I believe. Raid comp. This raid comp is a table. And that should be here. Not here. Here. This is the table we want to get access with results. How do we get player our name? What was identifying that from the key? Get unit ID, get unit name, unit name. Yeah, it should be something like unit name. This should be player. And this returns name and realm, right? Okay. Then we need to get name, and let's do player boss table, so we can get the table for us like this. Then this table should be something like let me comment this out. It should be something like point history. Then it should be boss ID. Then it should open up more. I need to remember. No. Then inside that point history boss ID, reason reason points boss name. Reason points boss name. Yeah. This is for this one. This is for this one. I believe it should be like this. So if I want to get this. Then what? Player boss, player point history, which is player boss table. Then I will get the point history. Then I will loop through this for boss ID data in pairs Wait. Then I will have boss name here, boss points here, and this should be boss points, and then this should be boss name. Let's delete this. This will calculate the offset. So in order to calculate that offset, we also need to do is like local number bosses 0. Yeah, I need to do this here. I cannot delete these, unfortunately. We're gonna increase this each time. No, wait, I need to count how many of... Okay. I need to first count how many. I need to count how many of them are there. Because this doesn't work because we don't know how many bosses do we have. No, this doesn't require. It is not required. We need this. And then set size. Boss ID dot data dot boss name points, right? Boss name points, yeah. Okay. But how am I going to calculate this though? Oh. Easy. Like this. Let's see if it works. It's probably not going to work, but let's see. Yep. Packing's database is a nil value. Why? It's here. It should not be a nil value. It should not be a nil value. Like, this is the last one to load. So Everything else is loaded. If I do, I can manually try to do it, but it's gonna break. It's gonna reset all of these because I'm not in a raid. No. Oh yeah, it's not. It's giving me an error because it is not. This is previous, so it doesn't show. Let me try to create something manually here, just for testing purposes. Yeah, let's create a table like testing, like local testing, a test table, and then inside this table we will have what names, like pasiones, and inside this you will have point history, and we will get this. Let's reload. Because right now it doesn't find our database because it's not updated. It should find it, but let me see if boss points a nil value. What? Why? It should not be a nil value. Data.points. This should not be a nil value. Because this is point history. And this is data. And inside data, we have boss name and we have data points. You know what? You're gonna make me do this, bro. I hate doing this. But player point history dot like 1 dot points. If I can print this, I'm gonna be very angry with you, game. If that prints, because that means you're lying to me. Did it print? No, it didn't print anything. 60. Line 60. Boss points comes from here. Create frame. Oh, it's probably because of this. Probably because of this. Probably because of that. Yes. Okay. All right. It works. It works. So as long as we have the data, as long as we have the table, it works. The problem was we did not have the table. So we can just remove all of these. And delete this as well. This is working. I will test this by going inside a random raid. But essentially this is working. So wait. This is essentially working. Let me delete this. Let me move this down. Okay. I need to calculate this one too. I mean, you know what? Let me clear this one for now. Now I need to create, because this is also going to be inside another thing. This is going to be inside another frame like this. But before that, let me refresh my drink.
Came from a broken home. I've seen so many people go. Learn to make it on my own. It's easier for me to be alone. So how are you? Keep cutting through. Claiming I like the other guys. And only if I could give you a chance.
Okay, back. So level create one more frame. And let's call this, let's turn this off, local results main frame, and then this is going to be big, especially, let's say 310 height and double the size. Let's make it big. Set point center. Backdrop. Do we need backdrop? Border tile. Sure, let's try that. Yeah, no. And then hide this. Now I want this to appear inside this though. So top left. Yeah, results main frame. Why top right, top left? Mm, 10 minus 10 is okay. I don't think I need to hide this, because if I hide this, this is going to be automatically hidden. And I need to show this. Let me see. Ah, it's gonna break because I deleted the test. I need to create the test again because it's gonna break. Yeah. What do you mean set backdrop is a nil value? That's a nil value? Oh, there's no... So this basically is a hallucination by the GPT. Good job, GPT. Yeah, let me create like a fake table. Local test table equals pasiones equals point history region. Yeah, that's okay. And then yep. Oh, you guys didn't see what I coded, but nobody's watching, so that's all right. But I am not using this anymore. Okay, I need background for that. I need background. Okay, now this should create a background. Oh, I can just actually... Wait, it's gonna work, but I think I can actually just copy from my leaderboard settings. My leaderboard looks okay. Yeah, basic frame template with inset. And then resize bounds. I don't want this to be resizable. Let's see. Yeah. Wait. When I close this, it also needs to hide the thing inside it though. Now this is good, but when I close this, this also needs to be closed. Alright, fine. How do I do it? How do I do it? Well, that's a problem for later though. That's a problem for later. I can just make sure. Let me make 0, 0. Reload again. Because it didn't appear top left. This is not top left. There's like empty space here. Why there is empty space here? This is not top left. Let me put more bosses inside the test table. Like this. Because it might be, the problem might be because there's only one boss. Let me see. It's still centered, and I don't want this to be centered. I want this to be around here. Oh. The parent should be this. Let me see now. All right. So top left. Set point from top left. 0, 0. Let me reload again. Yeah, okay. So 10 is good, but minus 60 was too much. Let's say minus 10. And then reload again. Minus 10. Is okay. Minus 20 maybe better. Okay, minus 25 will be perfect. Yeah, okay, perfect. Perfect. Let me add more bosses so I can test the scroll. Let's add more test bosses. Let's add one more. Let's reload. I'm not showing that because I'm just copy pasting adding boss. I think I just copy pasted 2 more here. Okay, it scrolls nicely. No. It scrolls nicely. Good. And then this will be the avatar. Now we need to put our avatar here. And I will put 2 boxes, because if you guys remember, this is our goal. This is what we are trying to achieve. We achieved the left panel. We have the left panel now. And then we need the avatar to be displayed in the middle. We are close. We are getting there. We are halfway there. Okay. We are halfway there. We are halfway there. No. I want to create a panel here, because it will be inside this. Local player model frame. I need to check the wiki for that, because there is a model frame. Model frame. Yeah, I know what. Just ask GPT, and then let's see if he knows. If the chat GPT knows. No, not here. I need inline. I want to generate a frame that displays the player's model. Do it for me, GPT. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. This is not what I want. So we're gonna portrait zoom like 1. Because I don't know if I need to increase or decrease the zoom amount to make sure I see myself fully. I need to decrease. I need to decrease. Portrait zoom 0.2 1. Let's reload. Okay. A bit more. Let's say 0.15 or 0.1. So 1 might be too small, you will see. No, it actually fits perfectly fine. We need to move this to the left a bit. This should be center, not top right, center. Let's reload. And then we need to move this maybe to the right. Like 30. 30 might be good enough. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I like this. Should this be a bit bigger though? A bit bigger. Like we can have 5 of these here, like maybe this big. But no, I like the model size though. I like the model size. I don't want this to be more big than this. I don't know, should this be bigger? Also, why is this behind? I don't know how to fix this. Like, I don't know why this happens. This is interesting. Like, they go through each other for some reason. They shouldn't. Like, this should not happen. I don't know why this happens. Like, for example, the tabs can go in front of the model, but the list cannot. For example, the button icon, like the button image or the button itself, does not go in front of the model, but the text does. There's something wrong with this template that I think messed up. But now this works. Okay. Images. Now I need to fix the images for bosses, which will come from the game itself, because the game has the icons already. For example, let's go Liberation of Undermine. Let's find the bosses. Let me get their icons. Like Vexy. Can I click Vexy, please? Yeah. Because they should have in-game icon. NPC ID. Display ID. Wait. I mean, I can check from here. No. This is models. I want to check icon. Texture. No, these are textures. No. I know you can get the icons. Wait a second. Huh. Group icon or like icon. Like Galley, Wix, Wixie. So there are IDs for them. How do you get these from the game though? Like icon ID. But this is not icon ID. I think that's icon ID. 6392628. WoW API icon ID. Fine. Because like this is like you can access the icons just like we access it like this. Icons. But I don't know if this just works. I don't think that works. I am sure that would not work. Yep, it's not gonna work. Let me reload. I think I found how to do it just by adding the icon. Let me see if like the ID. Let me see if it works. Yep, it works. So that means I just need to make local boss icon table. Then I will make like this is boss ID. Boss ID. Boss icon. So Vexi is this one. And Vexi boss ID is... I can just copy it actually from here. Local boss icons. Man, I just... I just lost the ID. Gear. Okay. 6 3 2 no 9 2 6 2 8. Cauldron of Carnage. 6 2 5 3 1 7 6. Rick reverb. 6.3. I have to do this one by one. 6.3, 9 to 625. Sticks. 6.3, 9 to 627. Sprocket 2626. Interesting. I don't think these are correct. I don't know if ChatGPT actually knows. So I need to one armed bandit is 2624. Yep, he's incorrect. It is 2624. Muggsy. 2623. Then why is this one? These are different. Like this one is wildly different for some reason. Galivix. 2621. Okay, these are the boss icons. So this texture will be I need to also put boss ID as well here then. And then this one will be boss icons, boss ID. Or this. Okay, let's put a default texture if nothing is found. And then boss ID. And then let's try the boss IDs here. 2010, 2011, 12, 13, 14. Let's reload and hopefully it will work. Yep, it works. All right. I also need to put give this a title. Let's give it a title. I don't think I need this anymore. Yeah, I need to be also movable, that is correct. So raid results. Let's see. Raid results. I want this to be centered, maybe. Hey Lomal, will the community do more Mythic raids? What is your community plans for next season? Well, we finished this season, and by the way, this season is like finished in like 2 weeks. There's like 2 weeks left. So there's not much to do this season, but next season we will do just like every other season. We're gonna do normal and heroic raids. We're gonna do mythic raids, and hopefully we'll clear the mythic bosses way earlier this time. Like, we got our cutting edge for the first time in our community's history, but it was still too late. We got it like this last week, so like 2 weeks before the season ended. So yeah. Okay, all right. This is working. This is working. Points are correct. Name is correct. Thank you for the follow, Lone Wolf. Thank you. You can also join our Discord if you are not in our Discord. I post all the announcements in our Discord most of the time. You are? Alright then. Alright then. And I'm working on the add-on right now. Our add-on is going to have another feature. You will be able to see your results at the end of the raid with details. I mean, you can always see your point details here, but I figured maybe at the end of the raid something like this can pop up, and then your character maybe can dance, and then you can see your points, and on the right you can maybe have some information about what you did good, what you did not so good. Get some feedback, hopefully. Alright, looking good so far. Looking good so far. Looking good so far. It takes time to do this, but why I cannot drag this? This should be draggable. Why I cannot drag that one? Resizable, set movable, and it. Ah, yeah. Okay. Now I should be able to move it. Yeah. Yeah, now I'm able to move this. Okay. And if I close this, everything should disappear. Everything disappears. Very good. Very good. It's working. It is working. Alright. I don't want the points to be all caps. Let's fix that to just points. And then wait, no, this is not going to work in the future because okay, wait, I need to fix something, because the point history is not exactly like that. Because inside of each boss there are multiple of these. I need to add all of them. So I need to do this. Boss ID data. And then for data Wait. I need to go inside this one as well. I need to go one more layer. I need to go one more layer. Because realistically, it is like this. Ah, no, no, it's not like that. Wait. Wait. Here. So when I add point entry, I add something like this. Insert. Yes. In this table, I add this. So yes, I am correct. It is something like this. There's like multiple reasons, multiple points. So that means when I get inside this, I need to do a for loop like I do here. Like I do it here. Calculate total points. Yeah, I have so many. Yep, I need to calculate the most points. So, which means inside the player point history, boss ID, and this is entry actually. And then for entry in pairs entries, I need to calculate the points. Local total equals 0. Because I am doing it per point. What do you mean unknown? It's here. And then I need to get the boss name from here then. Boss table. God damn it. Boss table. And then all of these should be another the name equals Wexy. All of these needs to be another table. Right. Wait, what? Did I forget how to make a table? I think I forgot how to make a table. One sec. I need to cheat again. No, not here. Oh, I need to... Yeah. I forget I don't need to make these a string because they are keys. They don't need to be a string like this. Name... No, not that's not Vixie. Cauldron. And this is so annoying to do. I'm going to do this. Name. And then just copy paste this. And then let's put the names in. After Cauldron we have Reverb, Sticks, Sprocket, Bandit, Mugsy, and Galavex. Boss table. Boss table, boss ID dot icon. And then this will be what do you mean undefined? It's here, no? Because each entry under the boss table will have points like this. Wait, no. Wait, no. I think it is like this. Yeah. It is like this. And then, since we have the ID, we can just send the boss ID. No, wait. I have to send the points. But I don't need a name. I can just send the total here. And I don't need a boss name. Hey Chef, can you explain what this add-on will do? Is it like a leaderboard per points for a community equals to specific boss skills? Oh, let me show you in a second. Let me just put this. Let me fix this boss table boss ID dot name boss. Let me show you what I'm working on. So we have our add-on already here, and this tracks your performance throughout the raid for each boss and overall. For example, this is me. I have 757 points. Let's have a look. So each boss, you can also see that for each boss I got some points. And then if you want to see the details, you go inside. For example, for Galvix, I got 10 points for damage overall. I got 1 point from doing more damage to Dark Fuse Technician. Like, I did some good AoE damage for the ads. I destroyed a coil with a bomb. I was the bomb carrier, so I get points for that, for taking responsibility. I get a point because I use my DPS potion. And I get points from using Food Flask and Augment Rune. So I try to track anything that I can track. So basically that's what the add-on does. The add-on tries to track every single thing that can be tracked inside the game and gives you points, or you can also lose points if you are, for example, not avoiding stuff, not dodging stuff. And right now I'm working on this results page because at the end of the raid I want to also have players see something like a result page so they can see. Would it consider you dealing more DPS and less DPS? Yes, you get more points depending on how, like, you always get points based on your DPS and healing. For example, this boss I got 10 points from DPS, right? But this boss I got 5. This boss I got 8. This boss I got 8. So depending on, it's like depends on your performance for each boss. It's on CurseForge right now. We have been beta testing this for now. If you want, you can download and use it. It's on CurseForge. Just type !add-on. You can use this too. I'm just trying to create the results page. Like because the functionality is working, I'm just trying to add more features. I want this to be also a bit educational for the community as well, so they can know, oh, what did I did wrong, what did I did great, what should I do next time. Okay, this is working. Good, this is working. Yeah, no worries. I'm here. I'm here, guy. You can always drop by. Have a nice one. Have a great raid. All right, then. So let me remember the goal. So the goal is to put 2 more boxes to the right. 2 more boxes to the right. 3 more boxes. 3 more frames to the right. So we're gonna put local. This will be the things that you did great. So positive points frame. This will be a great frame. Yes, results main frame under size. The size should be not half, because I want to put 3 boxes. So let's say 200. 200. And this will be too much. That I can fix that later. Point is top right. Okay, this is good enough. No scroll frame for this. I need background for this. I need background for this. Pause background. What is green? So if I just make this 255, it's going to be green, I think. Okay. Let's reload. Do I need to show that frame? No, it is automatic. Yeah, it's here. But it overlaps. So the first one is width, the second one is height. The height is too much. Height should be 100. Height should be 100. Like 150. Oh no, I god damn it. This is the player model. This one needs to be 100. Let me see. Yeah, and I need more padding. And I believe I need to increase the size of the main to be, let's say 100. X is width, so I need to increase this one. Y is height. X is width, Y is height. Okay, looking good. A bit more. Let's make it 650. And then let's move our model a bit to the left, because we have room now. Okay, perfect. I just need to make sure to bump this a bit down from the top, maybe minus 30 will do. Perfect. Now, let's ask GPT for something, because I don't know the answer to it. I want corners to be rounded, and I want a border. I don't think no. Does this work? I need to see. Because sometimes GPT hallucinates, just gives me stuff that is not true. It worked. But I think this didn't work. Because the green color left. I want the green. This works, but I want the background color to be green with 50% transparency. No, it's not working. The backdrop color is not working, man. GPT, you're hallucinating. This is not working. Yeah, it's not working. It's just transparent black. It's not green. I think I need to make this 255 or something. It's not green. It is black. I will handle the color later. Okay, then after this, I need to add a text. Like font, this one. Pause title, which will be inside this frame. Okay, it should be left. And then maybe -10. And the text would be positive points. What? Cannot anchor to itself. No, I'm not anchoring to itself. Oh, I'm anchoring it into itself. Okay, sorry game. Sorry, my bad. You're correct. Wait, why are you here? You need to anchor to top left. Ah, top left. Top left. And then go 10. Let's see. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Yes. Yes. Yes, that's what I want. And then we will generate the text under this. But we need a divider first. This one. Let's say pause divider. positive points frame. Positive points frame. No. Where is divider? This one. Pos divider. It will divide this. And the width will be let's say 90. The offset will be the offset should be from title. -10. I mean, the anchor should be the title because we are gonna anchor it to the title. It needs to be under the title. And then we don't want to anchor it to the top left. We want to anchor it to bottom left. Bottom left. Let's reload again. Very good, very good. Maybe -5 is enough. And the size should be a bit bigger. Okay, and then you will have your positive points here about what you did correct in the raid. It will give you a summary. And then we will create the same thing for positive points. Let's say positive points frame. And then this will be negative points frame. It will be results points frame, but we are going to wait, X is width, Y is height, so this will be -30 or 130. This will be negative title. This will be negative divider. Say negative points. Let's reload and see if it works. I don't like copy pasting like that. It's much better to just create a function that I can call twice, but yeah, it works. And then here will be your rank. Okay, very good, very good. We're getting close. And for the color, it is not going to be green. Is going to be red. It should be red now. Okay. I like this. And let's add one more. Which will be overall points frame. Overall. Results main frame. We'll add one more 100. Overall title should be raid title. This will be a raid title, let's say. Overall divider. But this is going to be smaller. This is width. X is width. This is height. This should be 50. Oh, you guys didn't see what I wrote, but I just essentially copy-pasted and then changed the name. Well, we didn't miss anything. Yes, raid title. I can increase the size a bit more. Like 75. Let's see how it looks. And the color should be gold. How do I get gold color? Let's make this 70 or 6. Let's make it 70. How do I get gold color though? I want this to be gold color. Let's see. I'm asking ChatGPT at this point when I'm asking for like color combinations and stuff. Like, I'm not gonna Google that. Yeah, you know, gold color, it works. Okay. Now creating this will take time because I need to then create a database that holds values. If you, for example, if you don't have let's say you don't have positive points from interrupt, this will say, hey, you didn't interrupt it. So you didn't get any points from interrupts. Or if you interrupted a lot, this should give you points from interrupts. So I need to make sure I need like a table or a database somehow to hold all these values. And your raid title will be essentially depending on how you performed. Like if you are, for example, top 5 in the raid, let's say if you are like top 5, you are like king queen. And then if you are like after top 5, you will have different rank. And then I will try to give ranks. You know, the first place may be the king queen. The after first place, it can be something like duke, duchess, duchess, not duchess, duchess. Like our ranks here, we have ranks, something like this. And if you're last place, you get peasant. You know, like don't be last place. I mean, I don't. Maybe I will not, but I would just like peasant is too tough. If you have minus points somehow, you can be peasant. Like if you manage to get minus points, which is near impossible. Like you need to get hit by the abilities all the time, but you know. For now, let me put some placeholder there. Let me put some placeholder. So Wait. Did I copy this twice? I copied it twice. I don't need that twice. Yeah, I copied this multiple times. I don't need that. Okay. Local pause points text. Post title. No. Wait, let me see. Oh, you have done an amazing job with interrupts and add damage. This is a placeholder text. But this is going to be anchored not to the title, to the divider. And then this is going to be anchored to bottom left. And it will be 0 minus 5. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Sorry, my bad, my bad. I just updated a text here. A placeholder text just below the... Oh, I need text wrapping here. Okay, one sec. But it's inside this frame, yes. But the point is to the divider. Minus 5 is not enough. Oh. Yeah, minus 15 maybe. Minus 15 maybe. Come on, show my game. Yeah, now it works. But I need text wrap. Make minus 20. How do I put... I need text wrapping. What's the function for text wrapping? Oh! Wait, this can't be true. This can't be just... Really just word wrap true and that's it? Man, I should just try... Next time I should just try writing it and then see if it works. Let's see. Okay, it works. But this is text, like word wrapping to... The word wrap should go down and not up. Right. Now the text moves upwards. Is it about justification? I like what the problem? Wait, top left, bottom left? Why? So set point relative to and relative point. Just making this bottom left will work? Really? I find it difficult to believe. Let me see. Okay, it worked fine. It worked. I don't know. So I still don't understand the set point. So this is the where it is anchored, and this is the where it's like what? What is this? Why this is bottom left and this is top left? I need to read the documentation. Like, this is point. So what does relative point mean? Anyway, I'm not gonna think about it too much. This will be negative. And this will be positive frames. This will be negative divider. You have taken so much unnecessary damage. Try not standing in fire. And then this one, overall points text. This should be center this time. Overall divider. Let's say the king or queen. Let's see. Yes. Yes. Okay, we have reached what we wanted to do. Essentially, you know. Yep. This is what we want to do. Now, all that is left is to get this data from the Packings add-on, our database here. It will come from here. And then these positive points, negative points, and title will dynamically adjust based on your performance. And I can also share this with Discord as a sneak peek. Raids and get feedback. Okay, I like it. This is good. I'm happy. It just only took like what, 3 hours? Yeah, 3 hours, 2.5 hours to get to this point. Because UI is my weak point. I can never ever design UI for the love of me. You know, like it just never happens. It's very difficult for me to do. But this is acceptable.
I need a target.
This is acceptable. Right? This looks good. Maybe I can make this a bit bigger to include 5 of them. And then have some, I don't know, more space for these. Because I think I need more space to write stuff here. And then I can make the model a bit bigger. Huh? Looks good. I'm happy. Alright. Now, what I want to try now, I want to purge this data. Okay, so I have no data here. Okay, all purged. I want to join a raid, and I want to test if it gets the information from the database, like this. Because right now we are using a test table. I don't want to use a test table. I want to use this. And then let's not do this. Instead, let's create a custom command. Like this. Let's say pug result, pug show results, pug show results, pug show results, and this will just show this. Like this way, I have a command to show it, and but yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. If I try to create it before that we have the database, this happens. So I need to make sure that is happening after. So this needs to happen when I call for it. This needs to be a function like local create results frame. This needs to be a function. Yeah. This needs to be a function. And then when I call this, then this should create all of this. Like this. And this needs to be here, and this needs to be above here. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, and then this should be here, and at the end of this I need to show this. Dot show. Okay, let me test this real quick. Let's test this real quick. Mm-hmm. Pug show results. Oh, there's a typo. Wait. Pug show results. What is the error? Show is a nil value. Why? Right, let me delete that, but it should not be a nil value because that's how you show the mainframe. No? No? I see you kill galley grants. Yes, we have done that finally. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. I need to reload one more time, I believe. Yeah. There's a typo that I have fixed. I'm a cutting edge raid leader now. It doesn't show the results if I don't put that there, man. Result rainflame.show. Let me reload one more time. Yes, it works. It works. It works. It works. Okay. Now I need to test this with real results from a raid. And to join a raid, just kill a boss and then dip. Because now it says, hey, the raid DPS and healers is empty because there is nothing to show. It's empty. Let's join a normal raid. I'm sure I can get invited to a normal raid, yeah? If I just apply, I'm sure I will get invited. Like, I'm an 8-8 Mythic raider. I'm sure people invite me to, like, normal raids. I'm sure they're not gonna say no to an 8-8 raider. Let's go to the raid.
The cartels are always hiring temp workers.
I just need to kill one boss. So I have the thing. Is there anything that I can buy from you that I haven't bought yet? That's auction house, crafting orders. No.
I can't attack that target.
Come on, go! I can solo the boss. Go, go, go! All right. Man, when I don't raid, nobody watches the streams, huh? Nobody's interested in hanging out with me. Everyone just wants to get inside the raids. Nobody cares. Nah, I'm just messing. There are usually a couple people hang out with me when I do coding streams, but today maybe people are just busy with other stuff. Jay didn't want to drop by and say hello, I guess. And I think in season 3 I will give priority to people who subbed me on YouTube. I'll invite them first. I need 1,000 subs. It's been like 5 years since I've been doing this. I still couldn't reach like 1,000 subs. And the worst part is I have 2 other channels, YouTube channels, and both of them have reached 1,000 subs already. And this is the only channel that I actually spend lots of time. The other 2 I haven't. Like one of my channels is essentially my blog. I posted like couple videos on my like personal channel. And that's it. It had just a couple videos on it. And another video channel is about AI slop videos. Like I literally make AI slop. And then I got like 1,000 subs very fast. But this one, no. Where I like stream and play video games, no. Nobody cares. So I gotta play the game of YouTube and ask people to sub all the time. Beg for subs. Like if everyone in my community, in my Discord community subbed, I will be more than 2k probably. But I can't make the people in the Discord just, you know, sub to my video, like my YouTube channel, to help me out. I need to start begging. Like, hey, please, man. I also need to practice a bit more Korean. I have a job interview coming up. Finally, I got an interview, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I applied to 100 jobs so far, and I only got an interview from like one company, which is a startup company. That is not a good sign. That is absolutely not a good sign. Startup companies are horrible for when you are trying to develop shit. They pay shit. There's no such thing as job security. ATVT. Because like startup companies usually go under in a couple years, so you can never trust if the company will exist in like a couple years. I'm doing well, thanks for asking, Luna. I just need to kill one boss. I'm just testing my add-on, so I need data. So I'm just doing like a normal raid to see if everything is working properly.
Kill ads.
Bro, why am I doing shit damage? I'm like max item level and stuff. What's happening? It's like normal boss. The boss should die by now. Do I stream daily? Kind of. Every 2 days usually. And especially like since we finished our raid, like season 2 is finished, but during season 3 I will be streaming around daily because we are going to have daily raids, like normal and heroic raids every day for the first couple weeks especially. But at the end of season, you know, I also get bored from the game a bit, so I don't stream as much.
Phase change.
Forget this, I'm out.
But that's like end of the season, you know. Like for example, I will probably stream tomorrow as well, but on Saturday and Sunday I'm touching grass. I will be touching grass, so I won't be streaming. But on Monday and Tuesday, yes. Okay. So I have the data now. So if I try to get the results to show,
Nuisance out of the way.
it should show. Yes! Yes! But where is this? Why does this doesn't show? Because there's only one boss?
Seal tight. Clear out Gallywix's cronies and
There's only one boss? Is that the reason? Let's kill one more. Let me kill one more boss. What games you like to play most? WoW. I mean, I play all kinds of games, but I stream WoW, so I can, you know, play with others. I can play with you guys, hang out and chat. Like other times, I usually just like to, you know, play the game, not stream. And like I don't have many people like watching my streams as well, so it's like a bit weird to stream to nobody when I'm not playing MMO. Like for example, I was playing Expedition 33, Clear Obscure. If I streamed that game and nobody watched me, it would be weird to just be talking to the void. So I prefer to play those games, you know, by myself, so I can get immersed as well. Yes, 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 yes. What do you suggest? You can always suggest anything.
What you need?
It's the tussle of the century, folks. But what's this? Ladies and gents, it appears we have a surprise.
I don't like. I recently started streaming on Kick though. I mainly stream on YouTube.
They're ready to crumble.
If you are going to give me a link, I hope you don't.
And here
Tweety, yes, I stream sometime Monster Hunter Wild. Like for example, Tweety, like if
Help
I was
save.
like a popular streamer, you know, if, you know, there was at least 10, 20, 30 people watching me, I would stream everything that I do. So I could also chat with people. But the majority of my viewers, both, especially on YouTube, are from WoW, and they only watch me when I raid. People don't even watch me when I don't raid and just do normal stuff. They're like, oh, Lingus bro is not raiding right now, so I'm not gonna watch him, you know. Luna Soul, what if I customize panels and dope PFP profile of yours so people... Oh, for if you're gonna do that for free, you can do that for free. But if you are if you are asking as like a business proposition, I will have to say no, Luna. Like, thanks for the offer, but contact me again when I make money streaming. I'm not gonna spend money before I make money. I'm already unemployed. I'm an unemployed person. You're not getting money out of me. If you want me to be able to give you money, hire you to do stuff like that, you gotta first wait for me to get a Come on, go, go, go. What are we waiting? Come on, it's normal boss. Go, go, go. Pull, pull, pull. Yeah, I understand, so, but you're asking money from someone who doesn't have any.
5, 4,
Like, check
3,
back again in like
2,
a couple years.
1.
Or a couple years is too much, but at least a couple months.
Watch your step.
And I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. Like having an artist prepare the images is much better than me trying to do myself. But for those kind of things to happen, I need to, you know, have some money first.
Watch your step.
Like there is a reason I'm using this 2D avatar. How much I can pay? $0. Like I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm unemployed. I got
Watch
laid
your
off a
step.
couple months ago. I have no money to spend on anything. That's why I'm streaming most of the time. Because it's free. I don't have to pay anything to stream.
Back to the business of ousting the outsiders.
Help soak.
I know you're hustling as well. I understand you are also like a freelancer trying to get customers and such, especially on Kick or Twitch. But you picked the person who is the brokest. Okay, now I have 2 bosses. Why? Why doesn't this show?
Crowd from all the way out here. Just don't let the fame.
Wait, I need to fix it. What's happening? Okay. Name. Oh, do I need to do name and realm together? Wait, it might be name and realm together. Because that's the only thing that's maybe like name. Yeah, see you some other time, TVT. Oh. Player dot name. Oh. Player dot name. So wait a minute, is it dot name? No, I'm confused. 1 second, let me leave this raid. I'm confused. What am I doing wrong? How is this table designed? Oh. I need to strip realm, okay. So I need the realm as well. combine this to as a string, like name realm. I know what's going to do. It's gonna just join those, but I don't want to write it. Yeah. I want this to be like this. No, no, no. This returns realm already. I need. But it's not gonna work probably because the database resets every time I reload, I believe. Yeah, the... Oh no. Attempting... Wait. Why? Why? Nil value? It should not be a nil value. This should get the... Fine, let's say get realm name, okay. But it should return the realm. The code should already return the realm. Yeah, it's not here. Fine, I will print it one by one. Like print this. I don't want to do like print to, you know, debug the code I wrote, but yeah, it's a table, I know, but for key value in pairs, player boss table do. Let me show you what I'm typing. Stable do and print kv, which is short for key and value. Because I'm missing something. Why I can't get the player name? Wait, what? I can't read. Got nil. This shouldn't be nil. This should be. If this is nil, this doesn't work. If this works, that means it is not nil, bro. Game, stop trolling me. It can't be nil. It can't be empty. I see it on my screen. It cannot be empty. Yes, very good. So it's like one table. So it has 20 tables inside. I know, because we have 20 players. I need to go one more deep. Then for A, B in pairs V, do print A, B. I'm trying to find where I stored player name. I forgot where I stored player name. I need to. I'm such a Pirate software, man. Okay, here we go. Name. So name is not player key. I need to find inside this. Okay. Ah, god damn it. I have to do like a for loop. I need to do for loop. Let's say players data. Okay. And then for key value, let's say datas. Then for data value, I need to get name. If no, I don't need to do that. Because I'm going to check data.name equals name if do break. We're gonna break the loop. We are gonna make this an empty table. Can you make this empty table, please? Why there is this one? Point history. Right? Yes, we have point history here. No, this should be. Okay, sorry. This should be that. We don't need this. Okay, let's reset. Let's try again. Payers table expected. Wait, what did I write incorrect? 207 table expected got nil. Say print data dot name name. Fine. I'm gonna check it manually. Okay. Here, it's here. It found my name. Okay. What do you mean point history is nil? Like, do you really want me to... God damn it. Point history. H is big. No? Do and print KV, because I am sure it exists. I am sure it exists. Yes, yes, it's working now. Okay, it is working. Now it dynamically gets the data from the from here. Now I have something to consider. Should I also put this here? Because when you hover, you get, you know, a point breakdown like this. Should I maybe add this here as well as like a hover that people can hover here and see? Just like I did with these ones. You know? Like this. Like this. Huh. Okay, I will think about that. Because okay, next time I will stop now. I will stop. I did, like, this is literally 3-4 hours, like part-time job. I'm doing this as a part-time job. Okay, I did my part-time job today. So what I'm going to do for the next time, 2 things. 1, I want to create this points breakdown for these ones too, so when people can hover over, they can see the points breakdown. The points are also correct, 13 and 17. And this one. Then I need to start working on this part, like positive points, negative points, raid title. Like if they are number 1, they will get raid title here. Maybe top 3. Maybe I will give this to top 3. And then others will get some other stuff. Alright. Good. Raid results. So good. So good. I like it. I'm happy with this. This is just annoying. I don't know how to fix this. Like, it's like a small problem, but this is something I don't like. Things going through each other. It shouldn't, but it does. I don't know why. Like, I didn't code anything that will make it like this. These are like individual frames. They should not overlap one another like this. It's weird. Anyway. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming and saying hello to me. It really helps me. It makes this much more fun for me. But now I did my job. I'm gonna rest. It's 3 AM now. It's time for me to rest. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.